How to change or add your country on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change or add your country on Quora app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Quora like this. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and then choose the settings here down below. Click on settings, and now choose the account option, the first one, and here you will find many options, and here is the country option. Select country from here, and now choose your country from here, for example USA or Australia. As you can see, for example, let's choose Australia and click submit. Now as you can see, I added my country of residence easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.